cat is no longer at home, at home, and the mouse were just playing around. That's the way I say the Seer. The Seer is the most dishonorable person I ever come across in my life. And why he's talking about a person called Caterpillar, whereas Chiamaka is there. It's an example. What Chiamaka did not say about Simon.
Thank you.
But Simon still forgive Chiamaka and bring him in.
Mm-hmm.
Why not criticize Chiamaka? That said, Simon will die.
Mm-hmm.
That, this Biafra will kill Simon. That this will happen to Simon. There is nothing Chiamaka did not say about Simon. And Simon still forgive him and bring him in. What about Sunday Aparawa? The same thing happened to him and bring him. And that is why I start saying it's true. This is our friend here in London. He's right because he's a DOS member anyway. I say it's right that this boy is so called Seer that sees nothing. He can't even see his nose. And yeah, look at what he's saying. That Ngozi doesn't even know who Caterpillar is.
Thank you.
Ngozi is not on the ground. Ngozi is not on the ground. It's just like accusing Trump that the commander of so sheep in the Far East, that Trump is working with him. Trump is the head of state. He has to work with everybody. He has to work with everybody. So whatever they are doing there is not being. The defense minister is there, and the general is in charge of all this because this it's not centralized as such. All the generals are in every area, managing their thing and reporting back to the center. That is how decentralization works. They don't wait for an order to be given. It's only when it is a wartime, then they'll be waiting for DPN or PM, or PM, to give an order to go out. But that Ngozi will be looking for everybody in the nook and corner of Biafra. That's stupidity. She's not supposed to be doing that. There are ministers, that are supposed to be doing that. That's, by the way. And I quickly, wanted to put this one to Biafrans. When America fought their own civil war, the Confederates and the Unionists, the Confederates, they lost the war. But do you know that, the general of the Confederates in the South was appointed the general, of all American, forces. It's just like Effion. That's the way, Robert, Edward Lee, who led, the Confederate in the South. They appointed him to be the general after the Civil War. When the Civil War was, about to, start, he refused. He said because he cannot take the generalship and start killing his people because the state of Virginia had succeeded then. The state of Virginia was the kind of Enugu, representing, the Confederate. Is the headquarter of all the Edo. But they appointed somebody that looks like Effion to head the whole Nigerian army. Did you see that one happening in Nigeria? They can never do that.
Not at all.
After the Civil War, the common 3R, they couldn't implement it. They just say it, they borrow it from America. Because America wanted to unify their country after the Civil War. Since the end of the Civil War in 1865, America has never lost the number, put together all the war they have fought, both in Second World War and all the wars they fought. The number of the people that America lost during the Civil War, they have never met it. It's more than what they have lost, combined together since they've been fighting war all over the world. In a day, America lost about 867,000 people in a day.
Wow.
During the Civil War. Thousands and millions of people, they killed each other. This is, then, the gun was not as powerful as this. They were using knife to butcher each other. It's a combat. It's a combat. Do or die. Don't come back. So, where is the spirit of, brotherliness after the Civil War? There's something like that. And the hatred keep on going and going and going and going. I understand that.